right, wonderful people where God don't create for this obodo, the world, and obodo in Nigeria where we day. So how on a day, this kajad afternoon, anywhere where you day, do it and use your hand like this and color be my greeting this afternoon. And you were there, where maybe tomorrow you want to travel for the day, and you the one that say, hey, if I travel, I go miss talk. No worry, because we don't get them covered. We don't want to make you miss talk at all. So anywhere where you dey travel go, you fit watch us for www.wazobiatv.tv/live. You see them? Yes, we don't put them for inside your phone so that anywhere you go, you can they watch us. Today go day very, very wonderful. We are complete in the house. Our international correspondent don't come today. And she tell us, say, Hillary Clinton, she say she really serious for the coming out that she want to do 2016. No worry, very soon you go hear all the things the way she want to talk, where Obama talk, where Hillary Clinton talk, and all of them. But today, now our family day, and we go get one kajad guest, we go join us inside the studio. My name is Sirimen Uvi Ehikia Musoy, and I need to settle down to introduce these people. The intelligent ladies. The ladies will be say once they open their mouth, wisdom they come out from. The ladies will be say once you see them, you see queens. You see king wives of kings. Yes. You see wives of queens. You see wives of Arab money man. The ladies
breakfast in Miami, lunch in Dubai.
The ladies will be say when they walk, even the ground they open because their footstep get correct authority. The ladies, wait, Sabi, what did they do?
Oh, thank you.
Make I stop, Abby.
Thank you. You tell me. The Gary water don't finish and the Gary don't come up.
You know when person does a talk, you don't turn to wash. Now washing machine, she can't do
which kind of detergent today use so?
The ladies will be say when they walk out the ground.
The ground they open. I know say ground open enter.
Oh, my sister now. See,
and then you know
say
say
for
for
this
this
world,
world,
they open for back now.
So you know say they say for this world, nobody like nobody. When we don't hear say I don't go, but you meet Obama, meet Hillary Clinton.
She got to
decide. Say I'm a man.
She can't remember. Say she go psych everybody.
I actually need to psych all these people. I actually need to wash them with you know better
detergent.
You know so that
use washing machine.
It's acceptable. It's allowed.
Yes, my people, I don't come back. I know someone miss me. I miss you more. Yes, this is not Talk on Wednesday, our family day, and my name na Betiana.
Uweli.
No, you don't say for Obodo.
And because say you go abroad, you forget your surname.
She be one use Obama.
This is wrong.
No, I know if you borrow surname. My surname.
Chimamanda Adichie. She they go abroad, they call her name.
Unweli. And for where I come from, if you hear the name Unweli, we be royalty. No, we know they deny ourselves.
Okay, so you still remember Tiana
Unweli.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
How your flights?
Oh, now beautiful flights we enter. We enter one very casual plane. We're busy at the top for the world. And then we actually meet with
When you
Obama.
see that business or economy?
Oh, my sister, why they ask this kind of question?
We need to know.
First
She's
class.
moving on the fast lane.
First class.
Okay, that's beautiful.
I roll with the big boy.
I trust
Okay, but I hope say you know things say first class and different plane from the economy. Not still the same flight.
No, but a different compartments.
Okay,
Wait till you
alright.
meet Queen
No, you
Bee.
see.
And then
let me
when
tell
they
you,
come
see,
back,
just
a private jet now in Caribbean.
Oh my God! Tell me,
But you
my
just
sister.
tell us
No wonder
when
because
they
you're supposed to
come
come
back.
yesterday. The contest say you be want to breakfast with Obama. So.
Oh yes,
Okay,
he begged
yeah,
me to make I stay behind because you know I be not really give him face. Unlike other people, when they go, they shake, say Obama. I just look at him and say hello.
Okay.
My name is Betiana. I come from Wazobia TV. I don't even need time to waste time. They speak English for him. Hello.
Why?
I am a Nigerian. Why should I change my dialect?
Your
I say
ID.
hello. My name is Betiana. I come from Wazobia TV. I work for Amin Musali. They cut cap for me. They say, oh, please. Anything you want. Anything you want.
You know so better than first that she say, why beside be like newcomer for you?
Yeah, a newcomer.
Yes.
I just realized wetin make her talk that thing now. As in, she just dey perform wonders.
Yes.
She first talk about she go here, she go there. Now wetin they do you be that Abi? No worry.
No, my sister, but not
No,
true.
I understand. Welcome.
Welcome,
No.
Betiana.
You go see the pictures for Ontop Wazobia
Instagram.
TV NG Instagram.
Yes.
Yes.
My
We
dear,
need to
moving
remain
to
Amaka Oku
Campground.
Diafo. Bam.
Amaka, see, I understand your situation right now. I know
happen?
what you they
What
go
did they happen
through.
to her?
I know. Calm down. My own name still remain Queen Bee. Obalo. Amaka, I know the problem. I know. I understand. Amaka,
I gotcha.
I gotcha. I got
do
you.
now.
I can explain.
Okay, the thing we say, say Betiana just come back and Amaka no get opportunity to open the box first. Now me go. So she dey beef me. But Amaka, let me tell you something. Make I select because Betiana go with my
But
size
you know,
for
say
mine.
Betiana and myself, we get almost the same size.
Now that the
Good,
problem.
that's
dey.
why
Anything
you don't get
when
problem.
Betiana buy for herself, you
go
know go
carry
hard
am.
make her
Now
collect
that the
am.
problem
Sorry,
dey,
but
because
she
if
buy
you
one.
colour everything, I me go suffer.
So it's not a problem. It's not a problem for me. I can take everything she's
All right, so
wearing.
my people, you go hear Orishi from us. We go tell you our story, and we go tell you, hey, what you got to do as lady for body kajad? What you go do to your handbag? And we get one correct Ogbonge guess. And also, go on top Twitter right now. You go see, say we don't drop our cocoa of the day. Oui. Once one shows the stories, make we for shook our mouth inside.
All
I can't
right.
wait to talk.
Betiana, you never have to tell us the people of America they talk of. Whether they in support
She
of
say we
Hillary
go see
coming back
picture.
or not.
Picture. Say we go
She's
see
not.
picture.
No, that's
Bishop
not
no
a
fit tell you that
picture.
story.
No, but you just tell us that we go
Bishop
see
not go tell
picture.
you
I
that
say
one.
people wey dey house go see the pictures.
Bishop go tell you actually they fly, they wave.
That she talk. I say picture.
Oh, now
Who
that
is that?
wave I give them. I think like
Okay,
this.
from private jet. Private jet.
When they go, they say, "Me una no go now." I say, "No."
Just remind me of person wey talk say, I dey aeroplane. Go slow, come catch us. I can't call that meet.
we don't
Come meet.
We don't see that picture. Say they sell sausage, banana,
For airport.
granite for
airport.
the aircraft. So
No,
people
but
they look for her to
ladies,
wind
no.
down.
Come to think about it, me una think am. People never establish. People no get business mind for this world, though.
Yeah.
Imagine me person dey
Betiana.
carry. No wait, my land. Imagine me person dey carry im own plane or private jet. Make on the hawk for mid-air. They say buy puff, plantain, gala.
How you want to give the person? The puff.
Your plane go near the person plane.
All right, please let us move on. We get waiting they hot. Please.
Let's
move on.
Comedy Friday.
Let's move on, please. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. We
But an
appreciate-
idea, oh.
It's very. I think they say ladies will get wisdom.
No, if you play the run, they go. They
really-
feel use parachute.
This is really wisdomless. Wisdomless. All right,
Serious dumbness.
wisdomless. All right, our first story for today. Not say our family day, not forget. So every Wednesday, family day for Talk. Now, our first story for today, this one is something where I know say if it happen to anybody,
Even you.
if it actually, even Betiana, if it happen to everyone.
Even we.
Now, one new bride, she don't stab her husband, and this new bride, so Sevlana Ilvina, 45 years old.
Ivina.
Savannah Ivina and her husband will be Antoli, 47 years old. She now 45, her husband now 47 years old. Say she don't stab her husband to death after Hindu waiting accidentally call him ex-wife name when they do swimming for bed.
Hey!
Now, they said when they do swimming for bed, when the man called the ex-wife name, instead of calling her name, he said instead of her to wait until they settle everything, she said she refused to accept apology. So what did she do? She waits, make the man go sleep. And when the man they sleep, they snore. Now she carry knife, still stabbing. Start to stab the man repeatedly, according to the report, for his chest, for inside their house for central Russia. Now she can't call police by her own self. Now she called police by her own self, say, come, I don't do this kind of badness. Now police spokesman talk, say the couple say they don't only be and stay together for 3 months. And when the victim called a wife, so when the victim called his wife Ogla, which one this one
Name
the name
of
of
the
the
ex.
former wife, he said she decides say she not go forgive him. So the decision not to kill her. Now she dey face life imprisonment for the charges that she don't do. So now, ladies, I want to ask you another question. Say your husband, or maybe the men where they out there, you go tell us what you think about him. Say your husband or wife call the name of their ex when they do swimming with you for bed. It means say you go kill the person.
Okay, first of all, Amaka talk something before we even reach end of the story. She say all this Ivina. Not to serve, no name your pikin Ivina. Anything fit happen. Not be joke. Anything fit happen. She fit just decide say she won't begin the craze.
Note
that one
to
now
self.
one. Note to self.
How many Ivina
Then secondly, you know,
we
say,
don't hear
we don't
Ivina
all
about
the
the
bad things.
Ivina.
She chook, she
Ivina,
cut, she slice. Always Ivina.
something.
And then secondly, you know, say some days ago I be they think sometimes all these Oyibo people wey be say they know they ever they wear. It be like say now either the water where then they drink, I be the food where then they chop, I be the air where then they breathe for that side. But I can't reason and say we they chop their food and we normal. So no be the food. So we don't strike that one commot. We they drink their water and we still normal.
We'll go there, come back.
So not be the water. Be like say na the air. Because you got some kind of people where be say when they born them for them, even though say they get Nigerian blood, the air where they breathe, they make them
Cinco.
They normal.
they know that they happy. They go they happy. So that kind of thing. But when this kind of situation, say your husband they call another person name, maybe your wife they call another person name, you can't carry a shukan. It means say more dates for them. Because that one, to me, no reach. Yes, if he pain you, say this thing, but maybe look on like this, say the man they even try to console you because this woman are 45 years and she married man of 47 years. Maybe she not sweet on top of the survey things and he just want to console and say, okay, she be better person, make her just stay with him. If we they do, I go just they call another person name.
Or they see that person picture.
Now compromise.
Yeah.
Compromise.
But if the man plans saying won't do that, if for at least taste like tell the woman.
No, you know fit tell those people
If
she
you
go
tell and then
she
the
for
group
shook
don't
am
end.
earlier than this.
Yeah, see, if you tell and the group self don't end.
The group go down end. It's like, you know, it gets some people maybe say if they won't do them and they know say they no fit stand, they will use pillow cover your face. The man not try. The man try now.
He try.
Okay, no, but really on a more serious note, according to the story, we said that they don't know for like 3 months.
Yes,
That
they
is-
don't marry
They don't
now
marry
for like 3 months. You know that issue where they talk say, you know they know person finish.
Now
Okay.
it happens.
Obviously, the man don't know the woman finish.
And
you
Because
marry
really,
him.
if you claim to love person to that extent, say you marry him, you won't stay the same house with him, you won't live the rest of your life with him. This matter no reach to say, okay, you want shook him knife. If you can't shit on you, you catch him red and everything you want
No,
to
she'll
do.
slice
you
am.
go,
No,
you go
she
dey
go
slice
dice
him.
some, can't use no, she first shoot some,
She'll come
can't
and cook
dice
pepper
some,
soup.
can't, arrange them, can't put them inside pots, then she don't go cook them immediately, she go first steam them, can't put all the ingredients before she go come.
Then they call that
You
one
get
marinating. She go marinate.
No,
am.
but
I'm
like
not
the
get
soup.
experience.
No, but me will be serious about this thing. You know, say, if it be say, the woman, the man, if you don't do them before.
Okay.
If you
For
don't
3
do them,
months.
No matter
yes.
what.
If you don't do them, and she fit just the, I know they support the woman. I know say wetin she do good though. I just they thought say if you don't do them before, and she fit they
Take am.
take am. We don't know whether she don't even tell the guy say,
Stop.
if you call this woman name again, I go kill you. She fit don't warn and say, if you venture call this woman name again, as we do on top this, so I go kill you. The man fit just say, you know, honey, he goes sweep and go one side. That day they call land, now you call the woman name. She know here go come o because she don't already warn am before. I just dey give my own theory o. She fit already warn am before come to say shebi you still make sure say you call this woman name. She go find the knife wherever I dey. Chop with the vex wey dey her mind say even after I don warn you, you still call this woman name again. So you wan tell me say you no love me as you tell me say you love me. If you don't, she fit don dey you know say you don talk am before, their brain fit don shift go left. So she no understand the fact say mistake dey happen. And true, get one person wey tell me say na Germany people, I better they call them Germans, yes.
Yeah.
So they are women. They're very splufic in quotes.
Okay, I'm
You understand the spoofing?
Wait, I did time TV with it. But for me, what's it? My
So
post you
if
did.
those women,
Wait. My post
What's
you
on
did.
Russia?
Okay,
now?
Olga.
you know you're the
Olga na German.
Olga you call.
No, they're Russia. They
They're
call
there
now
for Russia.
Na
They're
Russia.
yeah.
But the
Russia.
girl na, you
No,
sure
but
she
in
Russian?
ex-wife.
The
Russia.
ex-wife.
You don't know where the ex-wife from come.
We don't know
Olga na
where the
German name.
ex-wife
Una know where the ex-wife for come from.
No, we don't know. What if
But
they try
the
to
name,
talk say
sha.
German machine? They're different from Russia.
That they walk
machine.
well.
Then they walk.
You know, as another they talk, don't think you remember something else. What you go do if your husband mistakenly call you your ex-girlfriend name?
Why
See,
you wan
we
ask about
as a girl, I know be baby. I go tell you, it don't happen to me several times. I don't do
So
the
what do you
mistake.
do?
You don't do the mistake. Nah, sorry. You see, you get memories where you no feel let go. If you be saying just the way the person they smile, if it don't hurt you, yes. That one, the facts don't they say yes, the person don't hurt you, but it still get some things where you know if you meet up. If me and Betiana dey like this, we be friends, we dey close. Nobody fit take her place because it get the way where Betiana they take talk to me, it get the way where she they take her handle things. Nobody fit take. Is that somebody will go there lesser or above her? But you know if you take the place of, and it gets some moments where I really need the kind of Betiana at that moment for my life. You understand? Maybe something very important for marriage. If you be say you know if he take the guy the way he expects. But if you don't call that chick name, he go down on am saying na the person before he go reach where he won't go. Make we dey honest. Now the truth. But you dey vex. Why you dey vex? Learn. Even learn past the guy. If you reach moments where we say you know if you take him again, go meet counselor. They fit tell you how to, and their country they get access to all those people.
I don't understand. Except see.
Auntie, I.
Me, I think say motive. They calm down.
I want to know.
Okay.
But why you need to even call person name in the middle
That's
of
what I want to
something?
ask. Because I know.
Wait, make I tell
Not
you.
be mistake. Some people they're very used to.
No.
See,
that
what
moment, they say the blood and waiting where they flow for your body. You know, if you explain, like Amaka they talk say love now something. We they talk love, but she they talk about expression or feelings. Now, waiting you know if you explain, even if you call doctors, if you maybe so me a therapist go tell you now moments where you know if you explain it. Some
Who's
people
talking about love? How you to listen to love or likeness? How? I don't know where love enters
No.
this matter.
No,
I don't
so
know where
me
love
a moment.
enters.
No, so I don't go on talk that. So me a moments so that they love making. You know if you say, oh, I don't plan to say, oh,
No.
I know.
No, but my
I'm
point,
trying to say
my
that
point
why you
now.
dey to me here with the person where you love and they call another person name.
Why you they call name at all?
Yes, now what are they talk?
If you
Why?
don't say you go,
that one
you
means
dey
say you're
capable.
not.
No, if you don't say you're capable to make mistake, maybe you they do with A, you can't call B. Why you not just decide use names like honey, sweetie, sugar? Where we say
You dey plan names when you call.
But Tiana,
I know they call name.
I just feel say if you call anybody name for if they do that kind of thing, then you they think of the person why you they do
yes,
that.
because you don't mix up with that other person they
don't do
me.
before.
See, sometimes it doesn't have to be meet up.
Okay.
Sometimes if people say you they even do better. But because you don't get that person name for your head,
Or maybe
go
you
be
never
surprised.
get over that
Over the
person.
person.
It's possible.
Yes.
Yeah, it is possible say you know, okay, ma take over, but you say thinking about that moment, you know, if
You know they determine wetin
you know, if
dey
you
talk.
explain, you know, if you tell. All of us now adults here, we
shake
know.
your head.
You know, if
cannot
you explain
determine what
am.
you will say, but if your head is
Neither
clouded
could
with
you-
something, you go talk with your head they clouded with.
Okay, make I tell you
I am
something.
serious.
I don't
if
do
I
with my
dey do something
husband.
with you now, Betiana dey my head. I'm gonna call you Betiana.
I
don't
don't
say
do
you
you
do that
call
to
everybody
everybody
for
for
1 million and one names.
Everybody for here.
You
Yes,
say
yes.
where?
She be
Some
coming
people
here.
fall out of it.
Amaka,
Oh,
she come
sorry.
here, shout.
No, we better. Sorry, Betiana.
Oh, Queen B.
But when you reach that moment, you know they do mistake.
I don't know. All right. We can actually move on. But you wait there out there, we don't put them on top facing. Will tell us what thing you go do if your partner mistakenly call another girl name or another man name when una be the swim. Waiting you go do. You go just accept I'm sorry, or you go leave him, or you go fight him. Just tell us what thing you go do.
Or you go
and
kill
if no, I'm not.
Yeah, because
Let
the
the
way
woman
you
kill her
the
now.
man.
Let us know what you go do. And if the thing never happened to you before, tell us what you do to
I
make sure say the
explain
thing not
myself.
happen again.
I explain myself.
What you do to make sure say it not happen again?
She said she explained.
I explain myself say,
again.
sorry, actually, this kind thing been don't happen when I deal with a so person.
Okay.
But as I want look for life, I want take cover up. That's why. But I'm sorry. Not be good explanation.
happen
But now
again.
the truth I talk. Yeah, I
It not happen again.
I mind my tongue. I control.
Just as Betiana talk,
I
try
said-
not to dey call person name.
So use the word honey.
you
So
go
it's
put am
general.
exactly. So it's general. Oh, honey.
All right, so make we talk about this next person. Now, for America, they don't arrest one woman we marry 10 men at the same time.
Na crime?
Say na crime, yes. Big say yes,
Okay.
you don't commit a big crime. Now, they say this woman at 39 years old for inside Bronx for United States of America, named Liana Barrientos.
So you see
And
the
she-
Liana don't join again.
And they don't arrest her for this sake of say she married 10 husbands at the same time. At the same time, now New York police report now actually come aside this one. Now the police report say Barrientos say she married this men from Egypt, Turkey, Georgia, Pakistan, and other countries. While one of the men said they deport the man from the country after after making threats against United States. That's now why they actually deport him. Now, plenty things wey this woman do. But now, she don dey answer question on why she decides to marry 10 men at the same time. But make I just put this particular last one. They say they learn and say Barrento say she married 6 times for inside 2002 alone, and at the time of her arrest, say she still dey married to 4 men. At the time when they arrest her. How na see the story?
Well, I go say if men get the right to marry more than one wife at a time, why not a woman try it? Why be say if woman do am, now it be crime? No, it didn't pay me, but
Maybe she just thought that what me say be dating.
no, serious. Once woman do something, they don't. Oh, you don't do abomination. But if na man do am, yeah, it dey normal. Yes, it dey allowed. They go turn out to religion. They go turn out to culture. But once woman do am, na abomination. Both Buddhism, Hindu, Babalawo, church, Islam, everybody go forbid am because na woman do am. Why? I don't understand.
Woman they sing. They expect the woman they sing. We get brain. We get knowledge, we get understanding, we strong, we gallant, we be supporters.
So
they believe in us. So we suppose they look straight, but they put them in the right paths.
Not true now.
Now
women they put men in the right path.
If the man they go, let's give up. Why I come and face this place?
Yes, Amaka, good. Sure. Give the man to her. Yes, I appreciate the fact say yes. We be supporters. We supposed to there. But when we can't get the generation where they talk say I'm trapped in a man's body. When woman come to say I'm trapped in a man's body, who decide to become a man, why not allow her marry 10 men? If now wetin go make her dissatisfied with that. Now wetin she come do? Everybody get wetin come fulfill for life. Maybe she decides say now wetin her mission for life be that. But hey, madam.
But it's a crime in the country, so she will face the
I don't understand the crime for America.
No, for America, bigamy na crime. Whether it be man, whether it be woman, you no fit marry 2 people at the same time.
Yeah.
Either say you marry one
You
person,
must
you
divorce
divorce the
person
person legally.
But we
before
don't
you go
see.
fit
But we
marry
don't
another
see. No,
person.
they show am for TV.
But
reality
in
that's
America,
crime.
it's a crime.
For inside America, maybe now another obodo
I don't
come.
see a
No,
lot
in
of
Texas, there's a man with 15 wives and 24 kids.
You
Babe,
must
na
to
crime.
divorce.
Na
You
crime.
must to
In
divorce.
Texas.
You
Na
must to
crime.
They
divorce
live
first.
together, like they live in family. They live as a family. When they go, they rent bus to travel. They get their farm. In short, the school self now them 24 kids, 15 wives.
No, that one a crime for inside America. It no be matter of because in a woman or because in a man, na actually crime. But you know, say with the first
Hey,
story,
come
I'd
Nigeria.
already tell una say Oyibo, then they.
No, but you know what?
Because this one, I not go say na money. Maybe, and I not go say na fame.
Okay.
Perhaps she, like the other woman, you get one story where I been read the other time where one woman says she don't vow, say she go swearing here with like 100 men. I be wanting before a certain time. Then they get all those kind. They set all those kind
Goals
markings for themselves, all those kind goals. Say, okay, now this thing I want to do, even when it no make sense. So now their way of life, the government no fit do anything about it.
We are the team.
Alright.
If Obama go importing people come here, so we go stay there.
No.
Yeah, okay.
See
then.
Kora's answer.
Anyway, you wait out there.
They lie.
Tell us what you think about this woman we don't marry 10 men. And also put your mouth inside our first story where concern the man where man where call the ex-wife name where call make you wife stab am plenty times. So we are asking you where they out there. What you go do if your partner mistakenly call the ex name when una dey swim for bed? What you go do? Put your mouth inside, enter Facebook, Talk Wazobia TV, enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. We'll come back after this break.
My name na Chike Oge.
In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party, oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play.
And una dey watch Talk.
Oh yeah, J1 Luagolo, make all these guys they ulambolo. Kilo Jeko Monoworo, Majek Aniko, Diaduro.
All right, my name na Sheila BCFR, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now, so that they call me. Una dey watch Talk. You know now, people like us, they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem. We go talk on our life. That, oh yeah, keep watching Talk now.
Hey, my people have fun now. My name is J1. They call me Oluwa J1 and I talk now they watch for Wazobia TV. God bless.
Yes, we get very important person. I go surprise say, waiting happen. Why then come on me? instead of we.
Betiana.
But right now, we get a very important person for inside the studio. Very, very talented individual in name. Now, Ifemena Mukoro. But you gonna need to know. Watch this video for you to know the actual name where you use know him for house. Because many of you don't know him as Ifemena. I love the name. Maybe watch this video.